Okay, what we're going to see in this test now is effectively we've established that unless the block is directly behind you, the moment you move into pendulum more than a metre away from your anchorage, you're always going to hit the lower floor. So what we're simulating here is effectively the operative wants to effectively get into the mid-span, so he's working between two blocks, but he's anchored them at the front of the grid.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, what I want to just comment on there, guys, is that what we've just seen in this testing is real life. If we'd have done the testing where the blocks were anchored directly to the columns, the result would have been very different. We've seen this in other testing we've shot over the 3 days. But what I wanted to show you is real life. Because what happened on that test is we purposely used the wrong slings. Effectively, in that scenario, the size of the columns, we should have been using 3-metre wire slings, but we used 5-metre wire slings, which meant there was a lot of slack in the system, so there was at least 2 metres of movement on either anchorage before it got to the blocks. And because of that, what happened? Small grid size like that, the operative struck the lower floor slab. Okay, so like we say in all our communication and our training, please ensure you always anchor one row back on the grid. Same configuration, working between the two blocks. It allows you to effectively work mid-span and it eliminates pendulum, but by having it one row back on the grid, you don't have the same effect, as you'll see in this next clip.